Here is our 2007 Chevy Silverado Crew Cab with the LT trim, and here's the deal. When I originally bought this truck, it needed some bodywork. The driver's side rocker and wheel wells were rusted through. I first gave someone the opportunity to take this truck off my hands and listed it for sale as is as a project truck for $7,000. If you follow GM trucks, you know the value of this truck is much higher than that, despite needing bodywork and tires for inspection. Since then, I tinkered with the truck in my free time and used it to drive around the yard. The tires on our 2013 were diggers that made some road noise, so I swapped them over to this '07. Riveted some sheet metal in the body for bodywork, and now the truck is inspected. The deal is still $7,000 as is if anyone's looking for a truck like this.